Hi, I'm Sydney, and today I'm going to show you how to create educational games on Flippity. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the website, flippity.net, and it's going to take you to this home page with all these different choices for games. And you can think of these different rectangles as templates for games that you can customize. And each one is pretty self-explanatory, like there's flashcards. I'm going to show you that one in a minute. But there's also Wordle. And if you're not sure what one is, you can just click on this square that says Demo. And it'll take you to a nice little preview of what that game might look like. Let's go back to the home screen. When you're ready to start a game, you want to create your own game, you're going to click the instructions button on that game template. And Flippity is going to give you nice step-by-step instructions on how to do everything. But the first thing you're always going to do on Flippity, no matter what game, is you're going to make a copy of the template. You'll need to be signed into your Google account to do this. And then once your template has loaded, you are going to go to the top left corner and retitle that template something that you can find later. So I'm going to title mine Flippity Demo. All right. Now the next thing you want to do is click File, Share, Publish to the Web. You're going to hit the Publish button. Don't worry, you can still edit your game. This is not the link that we want though. This is the link to the spreadsheet. So exit out of that and go to the bottom button that says Get the link here. This link at the top is actually the one that you want. So here is our current flashcard game. Now we can actually make the magic happen. But before we do that, I just want to give you a little heads up, a little tip I learned working with this program myself. It says here, don't forget to publish your spreadsheet first. That's what I just showed you how to do. We just did that. But then it says, changes may take up to 5 minutes to appear in your link. So when you're working in your spreadsheet and you're changing things and maybe you're going back and forth between your game to check on it and your information, don't freak out if something doesn't show up right away. It just might need a minute. And you can refresh and you can continue working and come back to it, but just give it some time to update on the actual website. All right, so how do we customize this game? This text on side 1 is right here in this first column. So instead of the capital of Malaysia, maybe I want this to say, my favorite dog. Okay, and then you could put the name of your dog like Scott, or even better, you could add a picture. So if you want to add a picture, you can go Google a picture that you want. So here I Googled a picture of a dog. You're going to right click on the picture, copy image address. You're going to go back to your spreadsheet. You're going to paste that image here. And now instead of saying something, it will not even say this website, it will just show the picture that you just linked to. So let's see if it's updated yet. It might not have, remember. That's okay. While we're waiting on that, no, it has not. That's okay. Let's go back. Let's do the next one. So I love the Titanic. It's just a hobby that I have to learn about the Titanic. So let's make the next box the Titanic. Now that's a really big and vague topic, right? So instead of an answer, let's make this an informative video instead. So I'm going to go to YouTube. You're going to type in what you want. So here's a little animation of what the Titanic would have looked like hitting the iceberg. Now, this is important. You are not, when you search this up, okay, you are not going to go at the top and copy the URL that's up here. You actually need to hit this share button and click this link. And yes, there is a difference. If you type in the URL that's at the top of the page, the Google URL, that will not work. You need the share link in order for this feature to work in Flippity. And then you're going to paste it here. So let me just show you. Let's see if it's updated. It's not, that's okay. I went ahead and made another version so that you could see what this looks like. So here it says, my favorite dog. There's the picture of the dog. And the next says the Titanic. And then there's the picture of the iceberg and the video, and that video will play right here in Flippity itself. It won't take you anywhere else. It'll just play right inside of there. So you can keep doing this and you can actually customize the colors. So if you want the color of the card to be, let's say you want them color coded and all of the videos are going to be yellow and all the pictures are going to be blue. Well, next, let's just go with the blue whale here, and you wanted to add a picture, then you would change that color to blue. And then you might want the text to be a different color other than blue, so maybe it could be green. And then Flippity will go in and update those colors for you. When you're ready for your students or somebody else to play your game, all you're going to do, you're going to go back to that Get the Link Here button, and you're going to share this blue link with them. I hope you found this quick tutorial on Flippity useful. Let me know what you're doing with your Flippity games.